Korea. I'm Junghee from Potato Cooking Class.
Bum, 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 bum. I know you guys are really love Korean style pancake. Today we're making potato pancakes. You don't add any flour. No flour, no egg. Only potato with just a little bit of beet for the color. Are you ready? Let's talk about our ingredients. Yeah, the main actor, potatoes, beet, green chili, I already sliced it, red chili, and just a little bit of onion, salt, sesame seed, pepper, vinegar, soy sauce. And we need blender today and strainer. That's it. Super easy, right? Let's start. We need to grind all the potatoes. Let's put into the blender. Yeah, just a little bit of water. Around 50 grams. And let's grind. Let's open the lid. Half of this I will make just potato pancake, and the rest half of this potato I will add beet. Yeah, so let's pour only half of this grind potato. Then beet, you can just prepare the less or just a little bit more. It doesn't really matter. Make the little pieces, put into the blender. Whoa! Look at this beautiful color. So we have two different types of pancake batter, right? So first of this, we just pour it to the strainer, right? And gently drain the water. Look at it. It looks like cheese. And let's move it to the empty bowl. And this water, you should keep it. You can get amazing starch later. Let's move it to here. And next, this beet. Move it to the strainers. Beautiful color. And drain the water again. Da-da-da. Alright, so let's move to the bowl. Of course, you need to save this water. So the water, please leave it for 3 minutes. I will show you magic. So now let's make sauce. Let's add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 and half spoon of vinegar, just a little bit of onion, cut it in little pieces, put everything. If you're a big fan of spicy food, you can add spicy chili. Just a little bit. Sesame seed. Sauce is done. I want to check it. Oh, it's cake. Tasty. So, we need to make pancake batter. As I told you, no flour, no eggs, right? So let's do plain potato batter first. You need to prepare the empty bowl, the potato water. Gently, slowly, move to the empty bowl. Then, can you see the bottom? There is something, right? Look at it. This is potato starch. We need to mix starch with this potato. Let's add everything. Look at this texture. And this beet water, also empty bowl, gently. This water, we don't use it anymore. Look at it. So to the potato, let's add this starch. So now I have 2 different types of potato pancake batter. One with only potato, the other one potato with beet. Let's add some of salt and pepper. 1 pinch of salt, here or so, and 1 dash of pepper. Mix, mix, mix. And beet 1. It's time to cook. We need cooking oil, enough cooking oil. Then, let's turn it on. The pan and oil need to heat up. We just need to prepare just a little of chili for the decoration. Slice. Then, let's cook pancake. To the hot oil and pan. Oh, beautiful size. Let's make round shape. And to the top, let's add chili for decoration. And beet one or so quickly. Let's cook it. And decorate. And let's flip over quickly, gently. Ooh, look at this beautiful color. And the texture is amazing. Beautiful. And not to burn, let's turn down to the weak fire. So, your pancake is cooked perfect. Let's turn it up. Oh my god, smell is amazing. I really wanna dip in the sauce and eat straight away. So, 감자전 making is done! Thank you for watching my channel. See you next time. Bye bye! Pancake can be healthy food. No flour, no egg. 잘 먹겠습니다. I'm letting you know how to eat this pancake with this special sauce. We put a lot of onions, right? Put on to the pancake. Crispy outside, chewy inside. In Korea, we have a special idiom. 겉바 속촉. 겉바 means crispy outside. 속촉 means chewy inside. The next, potato with beet. Mmm.